Hello students, welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College. Now today we are going to learn chapter number 3 computerized accounting using GST case study 2. This case study is specially depend on GST on goods. Now here in the GST on goods, with the help of any open source or free education version accounting software, so obviously we are going to use Tally software. We have to create the company first, named Shri Ganesh Trading Company, Shahapuri Estate, Kolhapur. GSTN number is mentioned which we have to enter, and the sales tax invoice and GST reports we have to prepare based on CCTV units. So here the inventory item is CCTV, and we have to create the sales tax invoice as well as the GST reports. Now as 28% GST applicable, so it is divided into 14% SGST and 14% CGST. Let's see with the help of Tally ERP9. Okay, now today we are going to see the case study number 2, which is on the page number 57 of your textbook. We will start with the creation of company first. Now the first step is create company. So I am clicking on create company option. Now the name of the company is given as, the first one is Ganesh Trading Company. So here you will type Ganesh Trading Company Limited. Keep the same name as the mailing name. Then the address of the company is given, that is Shahapuri Estate, Kolhapur. The code is 416004. Press enter. Then select the country India, state as Maharashtra, pin code 416004. Phone number of the company 0216 and followed by the phone number. Mobile number, any number you can keep. Then fax number, again 0216 followed by the fax number. Email info@ganesh.com. Website www.ganeshtrading.com. Then the financial year, which start from 1.4.2019. Same date you will give for the books beginning from, and press Y to accept it. Now the second step is to change the features of the company. Now to make changes in the features, you have to go to the F11 option, and in the F11 the first feature is statutory and taxation. So just press enter. First option is enable goods and services tax. Here you will make it yes. Set/alter GST details, again yes. Now when you press yes, then it will ask you the state, registration type regular. Here option set as no, 1st April, and GSTN number is given as ABCDE 2345 F1Z4. So this is the GSTN number which you have to enter. It will ask you verify the company GSTN/UN, press enter. Then this is periodicity of a GSTRN1 is monthly, yes. Then after this is the invoice value. Then after this, the next feature, set or alter GST rate details, yes. Now here taxability is, it is a taxable, so press enter. Now the integrated tax is 28%. So here I will enter 28%. Automatically central tax and state tax will come as 14% and 14%. Then after this, press Y to accept it. After making these changes, you have to go to the again press enter 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 and you have to go to the back, that is go to the gateway of tariff. Now the first step is creation of company. Second step is change the features and set the GST and details. Now the third step is your ledgers creation. Now to create the ledgers, go to the accounting info, ledgers and create. Now the first ledger is, as the company deals with the CCTV. So first ledger which you are going to create for the transaction is purchase CCTV account. So it will go under the purchase account. Now here you have to set the details. Is GST is applicable? Yes. Set oblique alter GST details? Yes. Nature of the transaction. Here nature of the transaction is purchase taxable. So here you will select purchase taxable option. Now here what is the integrated tax? That is 28%. Again central tax and state tax will be applicable as 14% and 14%. Type of supply is goods and press Y to accept it. The next account is sales CCTV account, which again goes under sales account. Same features, here you have to enter applicable, set oblique alter GST details, yes. Now here nature of the transaction is, it is sales taxable. So again you will click on sales taxable, enter the total integrated tax 28%, it will come as 14% and 14%. Again here it is on goods and press Y to accept it. Now the third ledger which you will create as SGST. So here SGST account, as it is within the Maharashtra, so CGST and HGST is applicable. So I will create SGST, which will go under the duties and taxes. So here you will select GST option. As it is SGST, that is the state tax, so here option you will select as state tax. Percentage of calculation, nothing. Accept to Y. Next one is CGST. So here again it will go to the duties and taxes. Here you will select GST. Now it is CGST, that is central tax. So I will click on central tax. Percentage of calculation 0%. Now after that, next account is Angel Public account, which goes under sundry debtors. Just press Y to accept it. Here set alter GST details, yes, and press Y to accept. Next one is Shiva Enterprise account, which goes under sundry creditors. Press enter, enter, enter. Press Y to accept. So now in this way all the ledgers are over. If you want to see the ledgers, so here you will get a display of all the ledgers. Now suppose this ledger I want to alter, Angel Public account. So I will click on alter option. I will go to the Angel Public. Here I will make the changes as Angel Public School account. and again press YYY to accept it. Okay, so in this way we can make the alterations also. Now, after creating the ledgers, the first step is inventory items creation. Now to create the inventory items, I will go to the inventory info. Always remember, the first you have to create the unit of measure because it is required under stock groups and under stock items. So go to the unit of measure and create the unit of measure. The symbol for unit of measure is, the first one is unit. It is under unit. Formal name is UT, and here unit quantity code UQC is UNT dash units. So this you have to create first. Press Y to accept if you want to see this, so you will get the unit name over here. Next one is the stock groups. So now under the stock groups, here in the inventory info, first you will create the name as camera. Under primary, then here press enter and Y to accept. So only one stock group you have to create, that is camera. And now the stock items. The stock items you will create as a CCTV. So under camera stock group, unit of measure is unit. GST applicable. Here yes. Now here on value, it is taxable. Again it is 28%, 14%, 14%, and it is type of supply is goods. Except that don't enter any quantity or rate over there. Okay, so now stock item is also created, that is CCTV. Now the first step is creation of company. Second step, we change the features from statutory and taxation. Third step, we have created the ledgers. Fourth step, we have created the unit of measure, stock group and stock item. Now the next step is to create the purchase and sales vouchers. Now to create the purchase and sales vouchers, you have to go to the accounting vouchers. Now after going to accounting vouchers, first you will click on purchase, that is as a invoice you will enter. Now the date of the purchase is 1st of April of 2019. So here invoice number I will type as 1. So same date I will keep because it is 1st April. Now from here the party's account name is Shiva account, Shiva Enterprises account. So here you will just press enter. It will go under purchase CCTV account. Name of the item is CCTV. So here the quantity which you have to enter as 50. The rate is 10,000. So total amount will get generated as 5 lakhs. Now after this you have to calculate the CGST and SGST. So I will just press first SGST. So automatically it will get calculated at 70,000 and I will click on CGST. So again it will get calculated 70,000 as it is. So when I press enter, so here bill details, just press no, and here being purchase voucher is created. Okay, so this way you will create the purchase voucher. Now the second step is creation of sales voucher. So for that I will click on sales. It will come as an invoice. Now here the party's account name is Agnel Public School. So here delivery note number is 1. So just press the enter details all the details you will enter over here. Automatically Agnel Public School will come. Change the date after this is 2nd of April. Now again the name of the item is CCTV. Now in the quantity 30, and it is sold at the rate of 12,000. So here 12,000. Again you have to calculate SGST. So automatically SGST will get calculated as 50,400 and CGST again same rate. And now here press all the details, press enter in the narration being sales invoices created, full stop. Press enter and Y to accept. So in this way we have created sales vouchers and purchase voucher. Now the next step and the last step is to display the reports. Now to display the reports you have to go to the display option, and in the display option you have to go to the daybook. In the daybook option you have to select the sales voucher. So press enter and this is your sales voucher. So to take the hard copy of this sales voucher you will press Alt plus P. So this is your sales voucher where all the details are mentioned. Now after this you have to generate the report. So GST report generation you have to go to the display, then statutory reports, GST. Now in the GST select GST R2. So here when you click on detail option, so you will get the reports in this way. So this is your detailed GST report, GSTR2. And to get the annual computation, click on GST annual computation. So this is the figure which you have got, and when you click on details, so all the details you will get over here, condensed and details. So this is the output of your second case study. Press Alt plus P to accept it. Now in this way you can able to create the GST reports.